So what is the easiest way to make money online? Well, how do you make money? Period. You make money by offering a product or service to someone who needs that product or service in exchange for a monetary value, right? People have a need, they have a want, they have a desire. You have a product or service that fulfills that need, that want, that desire. And so you put a monetary price associated with it. They pay the price, they get the service or product, you get the money. Boom, you've just made money. And it works no difference online. Gotta have a product or service, gotta have somebody that's looking for that type of product or service, or that has a need or a want or issue that you know your product or service can solve. And so in that relation, you kind of need to let people know about your product or service. There are a lot of people with different issues, different needs and wants, but they don't know anything about you or your product or service. Although your product or service may be the perfect thing that solves their issue. But how do they ever know about it unless you yourself tell them? And how do you tell them? How do you reach them? That's where the online model wins at. Because with the advent of the internet, you can reach millions, even billions of people in a single day if you advertise correctly. So you're going to have to advertise. You're going to have to learn the different forms of online advertising, whether it be a pay-per-click ad, whether it be a banner ad, whether it be an email spot. You're paying an email list owner to go ahead and send out an email message to their following about your particular product or service. It's going to have to be some form of online advertisement. The better your advertisement, the better your reach. The better your reach, the more potential sales you will make. Simple as that. That's how you make money online. Well, now you got to figure out, well, who has certain problems or issues? And do I have a product or service that can fulfill those certain issues and problems? Do I have to create that product? And if so, how do I go about creating that product? These are the things you're going to have to create and design and fulfill, right? Well, what if there was already a product or service that fulfills a need, a want, a desire that billions of people have, and the product or service for it was already made, and they simply allowed you to promote that already made product or service. And if you make any sales by offering it to the people who need or could use that product or service, they would simply split the profits with you. They would split the money that's made with you. So, for example, if they were charging $50 for the particular product or service, and you went and offered it and sold that $50 product or service, then you would get $25 if it was a 50% commission split. They would pay you a commission of $25. That is known as affiliate marketing, my friend. That's what affiliate marketing is. You don't have to create your own products or services. You simply go out, see who has issue or needs or wants, and you look for an affiliate product that fulfills that issue, need, or want. And you simply earn the commissions. You didn't have to make the product. You don't even have to handle the customer service. You don't even have to handle the processing of the money. The particular parent affiliate company, the vendor, the original creator of that product, they'll fulfill all of that and simply send you a commission split of the monies that are earned from your promotion. So that means your job as an affiliate is to promote the product. That's what your job is as an affiliate. It's that easy. You're a promoter. You promote it by advertising online, by putting it out there via social media or whatever other means that you have at your disposal. You promote the product to get people to come on in, to take a look at it, to go ahead and purchase it and use it. And through that purchase, you yourself earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing. Now, what if there was a product that paid commissions as high as $2,000 to you? That's not the split. That's what you get paid. You as the affiliate who didn't even have to make the product. You get paid up to $2,000 commission for promoting that product. And what if you didn't even have to do the follow-up? You didn't have to communicate with the potential customers. You just bring them in, and then the product vendor does all the communicating with them, all the additional follow-up marketing to get them to buy, and when they buy, you get paid up to $2,000 per transaction. No matter if you made one sale a day or if you made 10 sales a day. And of course, if you made 10 sales a day at a $2,000 product, that's an easy $20,000 you just made that day. There is a program that allows you to do that. And get this, you get paid instantly. If it's 2:22 in the morning and you made a sale for $2,000, guess what? You get $2,000 at 2:22 in the morning. It's immediately spendable. You don't wait weeks or months to get that payment. It's immediately spendable at the moment of the sale. That is superfluous internet marketing, superfluous affiliate marketing. That's what you want to join. That's the affiliate program you want to promote, right? Well, where can you get such a program? I know of one place. Go to 2k.easymoneysite.biz. That's 2, the letter K, dot EASYMONEYSITE.biz. Go there. You're gonna be taken to a simple little form that allows you to watch a free specialized webinar that shows you how this thing is all put together. You don't have to put anything together. We're just gonna show you how it's put together. All you're gonna do is promote. And get this, we even give you the promotional places to go, to where you can get seen the most, which means you'll make probable sales. You're going to want to go here. This is amazing. Already set up for you. All you're going to do is just join the thing.